blur and zoom in effect goes viral on Instagram and TikTok. But the problem is, most people are using template, which destroy the quality of video. In this video, I will show you how to create smooth blur and zoom in effect in CapCut step by step without any template. Let's get started. All right, listen carefully. Add a keyframe at the start and one at the end. Now, slowly zoom in. Feel that smooth motion. Next, go to Custom Graph and give it a clean curve for that cinematic flow. Now head to Transitions, select Square Blur 2, and boom, instant impact. So next, add a white overlay. Then go to Splice and choose Overlay Mode. Add one more keyframe and set it to 0%. See the difference? Small changes, big emotions. Thanks for watching. Follow for more clean edits and smooth effects.